Did you know that most people will never experience true financial freedom? It's a harsh reality that many of us face every single day. It's a scary thought, isn't it? The idea that, despite all our hard work, we might never escape the cycle of financial stress. We work and work, but true financial peace seems always out of reach. The daily grind can feel endless and exhausting. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? What if there was a path to financial freedom that you could start today? What if I told you that you could achieve financial freedom in just 5 years? It sounds impossible, right? But it's not. Trust me, I've been there. I know exactly how it feels to be overwhelmed by financial worries. 5 years ago, I was drowning in debt, living paycheck to paycheck, and had absolutely no savings to my name. It was a tough time. Financial freedom felt like a distant dream, something that was always out of reach. But I'm here to tell you that it's not just a dream, it can be your reality. I'm living proof that it's possible. 5 years ago, I committed to a plan, and today, I'm financially free. It took dedication and hard work, but it was worth it. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about making smart, consistent choices that lead to long-term success. It's about taking control of your finances and building a life where money is no longer a constant source of stress. Imagine that freedom. It's about achieving financial peace of mind, a state where you can focus on what truly matters in life. I'll be honest, my journey wasn't easy. It was filled with moments of doubt and uncertainty. It started with a hard look in the mirror, a moment of raw self-reflection. My finances were a mess, a chaotic jumble of unpaid bills and mounting debt. I had piles of credit card debt, student loans that felt insurmountable, and I was stuck in a dead-end job that barely covered my monthly expenses. Sound familiar? It's a story many of us know all too well. You're not alone. This struggle is more common than you might think. Millions of young people are trapped in this same cycle of debt and financial stress, feeling the weight of financial burdens every single day. It's easy to feel hopeless, to think that this is just how life is supposed to be, that there's no way out. But I'm here to tell you that you deserve better. You deserve financial freedom, a life where you control your money, not the other way around. The first step is acknowledging the problem, facing it head-on without fear. For me, that meant confronting my debt, tracking my spending habits, and admitting that I needed to make a change. It was a tough pill to swallow, but necessary. It was time to break free from the financial chains that were holding me back, to reclaim my life and my future. The turning point came when I realized I needed a plan, a roadmap to guide me out of the financial wilderness. I started by creating a budget, something I should have done years ago. It wasn't about depriving myself, but about being intentional with my money. Next, I tackled my debt with a vengeance. I cut up my credit cards and started making extra payments on my loans. I even picked up a side hustle delivering pizzas to generate extra income. It wasn't glamorous, but it was effective. Slowly but surely, I started to see progress. My debt began to shrink, and I was actually able to start building a small emergency fund. It felt amazing. I was finally in control of my finances. Section 4. A windfall of opportunity. One day I stumbled upon an online course about investing. It sounded intimidating at first, but I was determined to learn everything I could about building wealth. I started small, investing a portion of my savings each month. I diversified my investments, putting money in index funds, real estate crowdfunding, and even a little bit in cryptocurrency. Then, something incredible happened. I received a job offer completely out of the blue. It was for a position that paid significantly more than I was currently making. It was a game changer. With my newfound income and my investments starting to gain traction, I was well on my way to achieving financial freedom. That's when I truly understood the power of compounding. My money was working for me, generating passive income, and accelerating my path to financial independence. Section 5. Your 5-year plan starts now. My journey from financial despair to financial freedom in just 5 years might sound extraordinary, but it all started with a single step, a step that anyone can take. It started with a decision to take control of my finances, to stop letting money control me. You can do the same. It's about making a commitment to yourself. Start by creating a budget, tackling your debt, and setting clear, achievable goals. Explore different income streams, whether it's a side hustle or investing. Remember, financial freedom isn't about deprivation. It's about opportunity. It's about choices. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, to do what you love, to spend time with loved ones, creating memories that last a lifetime, and to live life on your own terms, without financial stress. What are your financial goals? Take a moment to reflect. What steps can you take today to start your own 5-year journey to financial freedom? Every small action counts. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's inspire each other. And for more tips and resources on achieving financial freedom, visit our website or follow us on social media. Let's do this together. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.